Throw that ass back to see if he gon' catch it. I ain't never split it, but it's tennis for the niggas.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Tiara LaSha, and today I'm going to be doing making a wig tutorial thing. I already bleached the knots on my closure. I don't know what the footage went to, but I'm not gonna be talking during this whole video. I'm just gonna be talking in little sections because the video is really self-explanatory. I'm gonna be using a hot glue gun. Y'all, my wig is still put together. It has not moved yet, like at all. So for the closure, I'm put it down like an inch, and then I'm gonna pin it down my T-pin, and yeah, I'll be back. So now I'm just moving the hair out of the way, so when I get ready to sew down, that it won't be so hard on me and all in my way. And I end up using 3 needles, so it won't take that long. I'm gonna sew down both sides, and then I'll go to the back and sew that down. Also, I'm trying to go as sew it down as neat and tight as possible, so the closure won't lift when I get ready to put it on the wig. But yeah, you can just see that I'm sewing it down, and yeah. Even though this is the hot glue gun method, for my closure, I want to sew that down so I can make sure that that doesn't go anywhere. Nobody wants their closure to be moving all which ways on the wig. So I sew my closure down. This is the only part that I sew down. And I sew really tight so I can make it really flat, you know what I'm saying? And then the rest of the hair, I end up gluing it. So my closure is the only thing that I sew. I ended up stretching my cap out because I wanted to make sure that my wig would fit. Actually, I shouldn't have stretched it out because I guess there was a big wig cap. But yeah, anyway, so on to the next part. I'm just taking the glue like you would glue any tracks. You just take the hot glue gun, put it on there, and you just press down like you would do a regular glue. And you know, just do that over and over again. I'm gonna do the flip over method. So you know, just continue watching. It's easy. It's self-explanatory, I think. So look, it might look like I'm struggling, and guess what? I was. Only because I had just got done washing my bundles and I didn't dry them all the way. My closure was dry, but my bundles were not dry. And I knew this, that your bundles should be dry in order for the glue to actually stick as good as you want it to be. But I was so lazy. I had just got off work and I did not feel like drying those two bundles. I swear I did not. So, word of advice, if you want your stuff to glue correctly, make sure it's dry, y'all. Don't be like me and be lazy. Now that I'm at the top, I'm just going to continue to do the fold over method and glue until I get to the very top to close it out. And when I get to the top, I make sure that my track, the last track that I have, and my closure meet. Now you can see what I was talking about, like my closure and my last track meet, no gaps are in between. Now I'm just gonna pull my closure over my track so you don't see anything, and I'm gonna try to figure out what part I want. Y'all, this head was giving me hell, straight hell. So I got the wig process done and I laid my edges and I'm just gonna put it on. I'm just gonna show y'all how I style my wig. The process is not long at all, y'all. My wig has not came apart, not one time. I have not tried to wash it yet, but hopefully that goes good. Yeah, and the hair, y'all, that I got, y'all, this hair is so easy to curl. Like, it's crazy. Like, I never had no hair that's like this easy to curl. Like, my flat iron just runs through it. No tugging or anything. And y'all, don't mind my part. I know it probably look a little red, but this is my first time bleaching knots on the closure, period. So I think I did pretty good. I'm not worrying about it. The wig looked good to me, and that's all that counts.
Throw that ass back to see if he gon' catch it. I ain't athletic, but it's tennis for the niggas.
Oh, and the cut, I did not cut the hair because I just don't trust it. I'm not that good for me to be messing up this hair. Hair cost a penny, okay? So I had somebody else to cut it, and I think they did a pretty good job. It came out like I liked it, so yeah. Alright, y'all. So thank you for watching this video. If you did watch it this long, if you want to see any more content, just DM me or comment up under my thing. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.